The Robot Cafe in Nairobi, the first of its kind in East Africa, represents a significant shift in hospitality industry, demonstrating the potential of robotics to automate tasks traditionally performed by humans. I went to the Robot Cafe to see what it's like to be served by robots. It is the first of its kind in Kenya. The hotel has a simple yet inviting atmosphere, and you will need to make a reservation in advance. My first impression was the welcome greeting from the robot which came to my table. I placed my order and silently waited for the robotic service. Received my latte. Unfortunately, the robot can't carry the latte because it will spill. I waited for a while before the robot delivered my food order to my table.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. Tell me that you read my letters. Tell me that you heard my songs. Tell me that your life is
And after my meal, the robot came to take away the plates and leftovers. It also brought me the bill. The Robot Cafe is a great example of how hospitality is evolving. I was amazed by how little human interaction was needed.
Okay, I'm going back. Please move it slowly. So let me pay for my bills. Really wanna let you know I never meant to let you go.
But the question remains, will robots ever be able to provide the same level of service as humans? Please leave a comment.